In this video, we are going to talk about some of the stuffs that could potentially add $1,000 to your ZkSync portfolio. Now, please note that none of this is a financial advice. This is for information purpose only. Do your own research. So, the first thing is ZK Veggies. So, they have their game which is coming today, which is called as Veggies Gotchi. Now, if you are a Libertas Omnibus holder, you would be able to mint their in-game character for free, and the invite codes would be sent out today in their Discord channel. Now, apart from Libertas Omnibus, if you are holding any of these NFTs on the ZkSync like ZK Veggies, ZK Pengs, U, and there are a few others over here like Sob NFTs and also Moody Mites and Tavera Citizenship ID, then you would be able to mint it. And they also have some other criteria over here, like if you hold some meme coins on ZkSync, then you would be able to go ahead and mint this for absolutely free. Now, some of the things that I'm going to talk about in this video are like almost free. You will need to pay some small amount in order to get these things. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is ZkSlot. Now, this NFT collection is launching on ZkSync era soon. So if you want to be a part of ZkSlot, I would suggest is you can go ahead and join the Discord channel and try to get the OG and the whitelist role for ZkSlot. Now the overall supply for this would be around 5,555 slots, and at the start maybe we can expect the price to be close to like $50 or so, you can say. Now we don't know what the mint price would be for this, but what happens is like usually after the mint, though for those who have minted like multiple NFTs, they usually try to go ahead and sell the NFTs at a lower price. So maybe if you want to go ahead and buy this, you can go ahead and buy this as well if you don't have a whitelist. Now the next one that is coming on ZkSync is Frenzy Frogs. Now this is a very limited collection over here, and they would be launching their own NFT platform over here. So as you can see, basically you can buy, sell and launch your own NFTs on ZkSync era. Now since the collection is limited, I think this should do relatively good. And be careful while joining the Discord channel. The reason being, there is a fake Discord channel by their name, which is a wallet drainer. So you have to be very careful while connecting your wallet with any unknown website. But I think now they have made some changes on their Discord channel over here, and this one is the official link. So you can go ahead and basically check if it's a proper link, because the original Frenzy Frog Discord channel won't ask you to connect your wallet. Now if you are lucky enough to get the whitelist and the OG role for Frenzy Frogs, I think this NFT should be worth it. Although I would advise is like if you happen to get it, give your burner wallets to all these NFT collections, and if you are trying to get some airdrops, I would also suggest is try using burner wallets. Now the next one is an NFT collection from Bing.it. Now they are launching this NFT collection called as Drawlings. So this one. Now if you hold like 5 echoes of Picasso or some other NFT collections like V Bears or you can say Sob or maybe Duties, then you would be able to go ahead and mint this for free. So if I go ahead and show you over here, as you can see, I have already checked in on my wallet in order to get this NFT for absolutely free. Now since this is their first launchpad NFT, I think this should be worth if the supply is pretty less. So the mint for this, I think it should be coming soon. Now just check with this launchpad on Bing.it, if your wallet is eligible, maybe you can go ahead and actually mint this. Now the echoes of Picasso, you will need to have 5 in order to be eligible for this, and the price for each Picasso is like around 0.0004 ETH. So you can calculate as to how much you will require for 5 of those. Now the next free thing that you can do is basically you can go to Velocore over here, links in the description, and you can collect this daily loot over here. So as you can see, I've connected my burner wallet. That's why it's not giving me the option to actually claim over here, but I've already claimed it on my main wallet over here. So the first thing that you will need to do is basically you will need to go ahead and set paymaster in order to claim. So paymaster is basically any other coin and token apart from Ethereum. So all you have to do is basically you will need to go over here and switch to any of this token in order to use this as paymaster. Also they have some weekly events over here where you will be able to get this platinum chest over here, so you can have a look into it. Now the next one is Trala. Now for Trala, it's a GameFi platform on the ZkSync era network, and for this you will need to have an invite code. Now I am out of invite codes because I haven't received the fresh ones from Trala yet. I have participated in some of the events and I will receive it soon. So I will be giving couple of them to my friends, and then the others would be like distributed through a giveaway on my Telegram link or my Telegram channel. So you can use the Telegram link in the description if you want to go ahead and participate in some giveaways or the future giveaways which I will be doing on my Telegram channel. Now the next one that you can do is basically you can create an account on GRVT. Now before we move on to GRVT, I would like to also tell you, like with regards to Trala, you have like 2% chance of actually going ahead and minting this Trala OG NFT. Now this NFT should be worth it because it's only like a limited supply of 2222 and only 2% chance to mint. And also one more thing, like Trala has recently partnered with ZkSync, SyncSwap and Animaco brands over here. So this one is a potential and you will need to watch out for Trala because I think they might do a airdrop also in the future, and there is a huge chance that this thing will blow up. Now with regards to GRVT, currently they are in season 1. All you have to do is you will need to simply go ahead and create an account on GRVT. Now I am out of invite codes for this week because every week I receive like 2 invite codes which I share on my Twitter and as well as on my YouTube channel in the links in the description. Now the next thing that you can do is basically you can follow this SOB NFT Twitter page over here, and as you can see they have lot of events where you have the chance of like getting these prizes. For example, 10x SOB collection and Duty's NFTs, ZkSkulls NFTs, and apart from this they have lot of events that keeps coming. The team is active and they are building constantly. So basically you can participate in different games or different events on the SOP collection, and if you are lucky you might win one of these good NFT collections and also some additional rewards like coins and tokens. Now if we talk about the floor price for SOP, it's like around 0.035, that roughly equates to around $95 to $100 as per the current market price, and this NFT collection is doing relatively good because from the base price I think it has already gone up like 16x to 20x I think so, and this NFT collection was launched on Bigint, which is also doing relatively good. Now the next thing that you can do is basically you can follow ZK Dudes over here. Now this one is one of the oldest NFT collections on the ZkSync, and basically you can participate in their events as well. So for example, as you can see they have this full pin party right now where the first prize is like this rare NFT and you have the chance of getting it. So with regards to NFTs, there are a lot of events that are happening on ZkSync where you have the chance of earning NFTs and also some coins and tokens. So you have to make a note of all of these NFT collections and try to follow them on Twitter and as well as join their Discord server for future giveaways and event. Now the similar thing you can do with VBears. Now VBears NFT collection is also doing pretty good, and as you can see that they are going to do a airdrop soon. So there are these events that keep happening on VBears Twitter page as well. And also with regards to all of this Twitter and Discord giveaways, you can also follow all of them on Galaxy, and Basically, most of the times they usually launch their campaigns over here where you have the chance of getting free NFTs as well as some free coins and tokens on the ZkSync era. And there are a lot of events and giveaways actually happening apart from the one that I have mentioned in this video, which I will cover in the later videos. So this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.